Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. I hope you all are very safe with your parents. And last class I have to share one video regarding the rational numbers. In that video I have to share how to place the rational number in number line and properties like closure property, commutative property and associative property, and what is the role of zero and what is meant by additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Like that I have to share the video in the last class. Today I have to explained you by the examples of how to add the rational number and how to multiply the rational number. In these two examples I have to explain in this video, and also that you all are know about FA examination. So next week you have FA examination, so because of that I have to revise your previous chapter playing with numbers. In the same video it's include the revision of playing with numbers to find the alpha numerals in addition and multiplication and general form of the number. In the next class I have to explain to you the divisibility rule and how to find out the alpha numerals in division, and also I have to attach the worksheet with rational numbers and also alpha numerals. So I hope you all are finished that worksheet and the day itself. You watch the video carefully and finish the worksheet. So now we have to see playing with numbers revision. So first in the revision, first I have to show you general form. How to write the general form of the numbers. So I will take a 3-digit number is like ABC. So A is in place of 100, B is in place of tens and C in place of ones. So it can be written as A into 100, that is A is in 100 place. B into 10, C into 1. So this is the general form of to write the numbers. So I just give one example for you. 465. So 4 is in 100 place, 6 is in tens place and 5 is in 1 place. So 465. So that's why I have to split it 460 plus 5. So 4 is in the place of 100. So 4 into 100. 6 is in the place of tens. So 6 into 10. And 5 is in the place of 1. So 5 into 1. So this is the general form to write the numbers. So 465 can be written in a general form. This is the general form. Next we move on to find alpha numerals in addition. So find the alpha numerals in addition. So because of this I gave one example to you. So I explained one example to you. The example is A5 can be added with BC. So A5 can be added with BC. You get the answer 1A3. That should be 100 and A3. So in this condition, so first I have to write the question as it is possible. A5 BC 1A3. So I just take a trial. So you clearly know that 5 plus C you get 3 in the unit digit. The question itself it shows 5 plus C it should be 3. So you know that 5 is greater than 3, you added with the 1 it gets 6. So this 3 is a unit digit of the number. A number it can be added with any number added with C. So 5 plus C which is equal to unit digit is 3. So because of the trial, so I will try it. I added a 5, you get 10. So in this unit digit 0 is there. So it is impossible term. So another I have to add 6. So we get added with the 6 we get 11. The unit digit is 1. So it is also impossible number. And I have to take 7. So in this 7 we get 12. So in the unit digit is 2. So it is also impossible value. And then next I have to add it with 8, we get 13. So here 3 is the unit digit. So we need 3 in unit digit, here 3 in unit digit. So 8 is the correct possible value instead of A. So because of that, in a step 2, I have to substitute instead of A, instead of C, I have to substitute 8. Instead of C, I have to substitute 8. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 which is equal to 13. So here unit digit is we get 3. So 3 carry over 1. So in the next step we have to take this one. 1 plus A plus B, you get 1A. So what the number you have to replace instead of A, you get the same value here by adding the carryover. So now we have to find out what the number we have to replace instead of A. So step 3, I just write A5, B8, instead of C I substitute 8, we get 100 and A3. So clearly you know that A is not equal to 0 because this is 2-digit number. In this 2-digit number, this is may not, which is equal to 0. So because of that, I will take, and another thing, that A is also not equal to 1. So because already 1 is there. So 100 and A3. So we have to take other than 0 and 1. So we move with the trial with the 2. So we get 1 plus A plus B which is equal to 1A. So it may not be. So already I told A is not equal to 0 in the sense. So 1A is not equal to 10 and 1A is not equal to 11. But 1A it may be or may not be, which is equal to 12. So because of that, I will take 2. So I will take 2. For that we get 12 is the 2-digit number. So 1 plus 2 you get 3. So 3 plus B which is equal to 12. B equal to 12 minus 3 which is equal to 9. So instead of B I have to substitute 9. Instead of B I substitute 9 and we have to take instead of A 2. So I will substitute here. So carry over 1. 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 12. So now you see here the value, this one is A, we have to replace, we take 2 and in the answer also we get here 2 instead of A. So it is satisfied the condition. Because of this, by addition we have to find out, we take A which is equal to 2, B which is equal to 9 and C which is equal to 8. I hope children you have to understand by addition how we have to find out the alpha numerals. The same way you have to find out the alpha numerals in 3-digit number also. So first you have to move with this unit digit. First you always start with the unit digit and you have to move on to the tens place and you move on to the hundreds place. So next we have to find alpha numerals by multiplication. In multiplication, how you have to find out the alpha numerals in playing with numbers. So I just give only one example here. 3A can be multiplied with A, you get 170A. So clearly you know that this A can be multiplied with A, repeatedly you have to get 1. So here in this condition you have to take by trial error method. So A it is not equal to 0 and suppose we not equal to 1. So because already 1 is there, so because of that we want to take 1. So for the trial method just you have to check it. For example, in a trial method, so 3A can be multiplied with A, you get 107A. So A into A, you get A in the unit place. So because of that I will take 1 also, but already I told 1 is extra optional. We won't take 1, already 1 is there. So the optional is 5 into 5 which is equal to 25 and then A into A which is equal 6 into 6 equal to 36. Here you have to see A into A, that is 5 into 5, you get A in the unit digit. A into A, that is 6 into 6, you have to get the unit digit is 6. Already I told 1 is optional. You no need to take 1 because in your question itself already they given 1. So it is not equal to A. So because of that we have to take a first trial with 5. So already I told first we have to take A equal to 5 as a first trial. So 3A into A. So A into A we have to take first A, 5 into 5. So we get 17A because we get the answer 175. So here I have to explain to you 35 can be multiple with the 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 which is equal to 25. So 5 you have to take it here and carry over 2. So 5 3s are 15 plus carry over 2 which is equal to 17. So you get 175. That means 17A. Instead of A have to substitute A. So 3A into A you get 17A. So 5 we take the first trial, it satisfies the condition. It satisfies the condition. So here therefore A we have to take 5. A we have to take 5. So we move on to the another example. I will explain another example. BA into B3 you get 57A, 570A. So because of that, in step 1 I will take the question. In this question you know that A into 3 you get A. So the possibility is 0 into 3 which is equal to 0. Otherwise 5 3s are 15. So these are the two possibilities. If we take B as 0, it should be B0 into B3, you get the value is 570. Otherwise you take 5, you need a B5 into B3, you get 575. Instead of A you could take 0, you get 570. Instead of A equal to 5, you get 575. So because of this, first I have to check with the trial. First one. So in this clearly you know that 570 is greater than 500. So 20 is 20 which is equal to 400. It at most near to 500. So it only less than 500 only. But you have to take 1 minus 10 into 10, 100. So it is 2 less than 500. Because of that the first trial I have to take 2. So 2 in the sense we get 20 into 23. So 23 can be split as 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 you get 400. 20 into 3 you get 60. So you get 460. So it is not equal to 570. So next option we have to take 3. So 3 means 3 into 33. So it takes 990. So it is greater than 570. So clearly this is not a possible, because if we take A equal to 0, it is impossible to take 2 and 3. We have to take 2, it is less than 570. If we have to take 3, it is greater than 570. It is not equal to 570. So next we move on to the same optional with the B5. So first I have to trial with the 1. Trial with 1. So B equal to 1 in the sense I have to take, it should be 15 into 13. So 15 into 13 we have to written as 15 into 10 plus 3. This 13 can be written in the general form. So first 15 into 10, 150. So it is easy way to multiplication. And 15 into 3, you get 45. So you know that it is 195. So already you know. So 10 tens are 100 only. So it is less than 570. Next we move on to the trial with the 2. If we take B which is equal to 2, the value it should be 25 into 23. This 23 can be written as 25 into 20 plus 3. So 25 into 20, you get 25 into 2, 50. The shortcut you put the 0 here, you get 500. So 25 into 3, it is 75. So it becomes 575. So you clearly you know that B5 and then B3 have to multiple. So it should be 575 is the answer. So instead of this, here we have to take, instead of B we have to take 2. You get the same answer 575. So 25 into 23, you get 575. In the question B, it should be replacement is 2 and then replacement of A is 5. So you know that therefore A equal to 5, B equal to 2. Now we continue the rational numbers. I have to explain the first example. Example number 1. Find 3 by 7 plus of minus 6 by 11 plus of minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. So here the denominators are different. Here we have to use LCM and change the denominator same. Afterwards you have to add or subtract. Before that we have to cancel the bracket. So I just write the question. 3 by 7 plus of minus 6 by 11 plus of minus 8 by 11 plus 5 by 2. Here I have to multiply this plus into minus inside. We have to cancel the bracket. So 3 by 7 I keep it as same. Plus into minus, minus 6 by 11 plus into minus, minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. Here you have to observe 7, 11, 21, 22 are all different denominator. So because of that I have to take the LCM. So in this LCM first I have to divide it by 7. So 1 times 7 we get 7. So 11 we cannot divisible by 7th table. I keep it as same. So 21 it should be 3 times. 22 is also not divisible by 7. So I will take 11th table. So 1 I keep it as same. In 11th table 11 from 1 times 3 we keep it as same. In 11th table 22 comes 2 times. Now you have to see it should be 7 into 11 into 3 into 2. So because 3 and 2 are prime numbers, so you have to use separately. So because of that I will take 7 into 11, 3 into 2. 7 11s are 77 into 6, you get 462 is the LCM. So I have to take 462 is LCM for this denominator. The first I have to consider the 7. So here you have to see 7 is there. Remaining 11 into 3 into 2, you get the multiplication of 7, you get 462. So because of that you take 7. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 into 2 is 66. So 11 into 3 into which is equal to 66. So 7 can be multiple with 66. You get 462. And the same way you have to multiple with 3. So because of the 3 into 66 minus 6 can be multiple. So before that 11 can be multiple with which number? You get 462. So 11 into something you get 462. 11 into something you get 462. So here 11 is there. 11 is there. Remaining 7, 3, 2. So 7 into 3 into 2. So these are all the multiples. We have to multiple with 11. You get 462. Because we take only 7 into 11 into 3 into 2. Here we take 11. The remaining product you get the answer. You multiple with 11. You get 462. So 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, you get 42. So 42 is the answer. You multiple with 11 into 42, you get 462. So in the same way, you have to multiple with 11 into 42, you get 462. So you have to multiple 6 into 42. 6 into 42. And next you move on to 21. So in this condition here, is there any 21? You check it. So 7 into 11 into 3 into 2. So 7, 7, 11 are 11. So 7 3s are 21. So you multiple with 7 into 3, you get 21. So remaining 11 into 2, you get 22. So 21 can be multiple with 22. Otherwise you have to divide 462 by 21. So 21 can be divided. 121s are 21, 2 21s are 42. remaining 4, and then we take this 2. So 2 21s are 42. So here 21 into 22 you get 462. So 21 can be multiple with the 22, as well as this minus 8 can be multiple with the 22. You know that 22, so always 21 can be multiple with the 22. So 22 is multiple with the 21. So 5 can be multiple with the 21. Plus 5 into 21. 5 into 21. So 1 by 1 I have to multiple. So 66 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 8 remaining 1. And then 6 3s are 18. You get 19. So 3 6 are 18. So 3 whatever it is 198. Here minus is there. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 6 4s are 24. Carry over 1. 25. The same way you have to multiple this. 8 2s are 16. 6 carry over 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1. 17. So 5 into 21. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So now the common divisible is denominator 462. So here I will take the positive term on one side. 198 plus 105 minus 252 minus 176 whole divided by 462. So I will take this 2. 198 can be added with 105. You get 8 plus 5 13, 3 carry over 1, 9 plus 1 10, 0 remaining carry over 1, you get 3. So totally 303. And then minus values I take minus 252 minus 176. In by the integers same symbol you have to add. 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 5 12, 2 carry over 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So the common symbol is minus. You get minus 428 divided by 462. Again you get plus 303 and minus. So these are all different symbol. You have to subtract it. Here 428 is the bigger one. I will put minus in the answer. So 428 you have to subtract 303. 8 minus 3 you get 5. 0. 2 minus 0 you get 2. 4 minus 3 1. So 125 is the answer. 125 divided by 462. So here you have to see 125 can be divisible with only 5 table, and this 462 can be divisible by 6 plus 2 plus 8. It should be 3 and 2 table. So it is impossible to simplify. The answer is, for you have to add this 4 rational number, you get the answer is minus 125 by 462. Okay, now we move on to example number 2. Find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. So in the previous example we have to see addition and subtraction by using the symbol. So here all are in multiplication. Before I find the solution, I have to show one conditions for multiplication and cancellation. For multiplication, you have to multiply the rational numbers. Numerator can be multiple with the numerator and denominator can be multiple with the denominator separately. You no need to multiple numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. In a multiplication, you supposed to multiple only, you have to multiple all the numerator and all the denominator separately. You have to multiple minus 4 into 3 into 15 into minus 14. All the numerator you have to multiple. The same way all the denominator you want to multiple. And cancellation process. Cancellation process, you have to cancel. Numerator can be cancelled by denominator or denominator can be cancelled by numerator. You no need to cancel numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. It is opposite condition. In multiplication, you have to follow numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. But in a cancellation, numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now we have to see the solution for this. It is very easy sum. So I just write the question. Minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. So already I told, in a multiplication you have to multiply all the numerator and denominator, and particularly you have to mention the symbols also. So which implies minus 4 into 3 into 15 into minus 14. So these are all numerator. Whole divided by 5 into 7 into 16 into 9. These are all denominator. So the first condition, multiplication condition, we have to follow all numerator and all denominator. Now cancellation process. Already I told, numerator can be cancelled by denominator or denominator can be cancelled by numerator. Just you have to compare. Any of the number can be cancelled. Here 4 can be cancelled, any of the number. 5 it is impossible, 7 it is impossible, but 16 is possible. So 1 times 4, 4 times 16. So this numerator can be cancelled, the denominator 16. Again I have to compare. This 3 cancel the 9. 1 times 3, 3 times 9. And again this 15, it should be cancelled by 5 and also 3. Your choice. You have to take 3 or you have to take 5. So first I have to take 5. 1 times 5, 3 times 15. So next we have to see this 14 can be cancelled with 4 by table 2, otherwise directly by 7. 1 times 7 and then 2 times 14. I will take this minus properly. So first you have to cancel one time. Each and every questions one time I will cancel. You have to write everything. Minus 1 into 1 into 3 into minus 2. These are the remaining numerator. And 1 into 4 into 3. These are the remaining denominator. Now again you have to compare numerator with the denominator. This 3 can be cancelled and then this 4 can be cancelled. 1 times 2 and 2 times 4. Now again you have to return what are the remaining portion. 1 into this should be 1 and this should be 1. 1 into minus 1. All are 1. So here 1 into 2 into 1. So now you have to multiply minus into plus, minus. So minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So all are 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1. So totally plus 1. Whole divided by 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2. So you get 1 by 2. So it is very easy. 1, 2, 3. The fourth step you get the answer. Okay, I think so. You have to know about how to multiply the rational number. It's simply you have to multiply all the numerator and all the denominator. Just you have to compare numerator with the denominator. If it is any cancel, just you write the remaining portion. Again you have to compare it. If all the numbers are 1, you have to write it everything. If it is impossible to simplify anymore, the sense you have to write it and you have to multiply and find the value. You get 1 by 2. Hi my dears, I know you all are understanding the concept, what are the questions I added in the video. If you have any doubt in the video, just you have to frankly ask in the interactive session. Otherwise you make a phone call to me. Whatever doubt you have to clear it on the day itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching our channel. This video உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching our